Right. So today, well, this is the second video, but I'm gonna do mix load again.
Can you put these tea towels in, Michael?
Oh yeah. With speed. Still 4 kilos,
Thank you.
Yep. It's the hand cowl that you need doing. That one?
No, it's fine.
Yeah. Got some tea towels as well. So just put my shirt in. Second shirt. And we've got my sheet. This. So some of this obviously is from the bush as well. Failed to wash it. There we go. Again, we'll put a cap of this into it. Formal liquid, same stuff that was used in the last load. And a tiny bit, because there's one of my towels in there, tiny bit of softener. So I don't know why I've just closed that door. Put it there. That's it, Lou? what I might do, just in case that lead isn't holding its charge. I don't know. Should I risk it? Oh, I could have just had my tripod here, no way. Oh yeah, wide angle. Didn't even think of that either. There we go. What I might do is swap them over. That's what I'm doing.
Pay less. Yeah, I was close.
Oh, fuck. I've got rainbow coloured light then. That's nice. No, we don't want that, guys. Let's have a look actually. What different colours I have. I've got red, green, blue, yellow, purple, blue, red again, multicoloured, whatever this is. Okay, that's niche. Rainbow again, red, rain. Oh, this is like loads of different options. I'm just cycling through them now. Yeah, okay, we're back to square one. And then if we do back to white and then... Oh, so if you do that, it puts you back to the last colour you were on. Yeah, I'll just do rainbow, the multicoloured one. Oh, do you know what I could have done? Put rinse plus on, just for the extra water, and then taken it off again. I still want to take this out. I'm really not sure. Because then there'd be less glare. At least it's not tinted. I wouldn't like it if it was tinted.
Once in my life.
Wait, I wonder if it would top up the water.
And you couldn't have got time for that, yeah?
Yes, no. No, okay, never mind. I didn't even know that before. I've only just realised you've got that
Oh,
one.
a fused socket in the corner.
Oh, yeah. See, I've never even realised that.
And the wire will come up underneath. You look carefully. You see it?
Yeah, there.
So that goes into there. The only way you can undo that is by flicking out that.
Thing, yeah.
That's fused.
This is
That's
the... Is that not dangerous?
Because they're only probably spot lights.
Oh, I was going to say, if you've got the washing machine. But
Well,
with a high wattage heater anyway.
if you're pulling more than 13 amps
Yeah.
off a socket, you're pushing your weight. That'll be how you're pulling about 4 amps.
Yeah, yeah.
So it isn't how many sockets go into it, it's what the total drain is.
Yeah.
And you can only take, you see this comes down out off here, you can only take 2 wooden spur off the ring. If you actually get enough qualifications to become a plumber or whatever, you'll learn all about those things.
Yeah. See, I didn't even know that about the utility room. So is that the only thing that's widened in here?
This is wiring.
No, I'm
That
saying
is.
this.
Yes.
So does that mean that if this actually ever breaks,
Yeah.
would you?
I just done wiring.
But then with the new one, you'd have to wire that in.
Yeah. Take the socket off, bare the leads, put them in, and drop the circuit out of the circuit board.
Yeah, I know how to unwire and rewire,
Right?
but you wouldn't want to get a standard plug put in for that.
No, I'd take the plug off the end of the new one,
Yeah.
bare the wires, and stick it in there, and then clean it all up again.
So this is basically on permanently. There's no way to turn that off anyway.
Yes, you just put a little hook in. Come out here and I'll show you. Oh, this is yeah, it's a fuse switch.
Argo is what I
Might be as well. Well, having a last sort of time, it might be like very good time. Do.
Because one of my first machines I had,
Why would somebody
yeah, I'm not sure. I was asking. It's one of my old first machines that I had. Because it worked, but
Yeah, we don't want to socket on that because it's pulling a lot of energy. See it cook there. Nice and
it's on where if that wasn't mine, it would be two plugs, so you can plug in
one
something
extra thing. There's one here as well. There's one of those here. And it isn't there. There's a 30 amp cable.
So you- Yeah, Granny said the kitchen was different. So you could, if you wanted to, put another two sockets there. You want me to grab those?
Yes, please, I need a tall man.
Yeah.
Right.
Your washing.
And then I'll take you home. And then I'll show you what I've done with the board.
Your washing up. Yeah.
I know how to do it. You want to turn the light there? Yeah, because I'm,
You're not, are you still recording?
yeah, I'm filming this one as well.
I'll hold this in, but they're crashing down.
That's low enough. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. No, you can let go.
It's alright. Good, and if I let go without that, it'd smash straight into it. Right, let's have some. I'll do that one.
Oh, you want, yeah. I'll pass you the...
It's good, this, isn't it?
Yeah, we still have the fittings to get one in, but
Yeah.
we've got nowhere to put it. Because we would put it maybe in the conservatory, but that's not happening, is it?
And don't forget, you're probably only there for another 2 or 3 years.
You really think I'll move out that soon after?
Depends. If you've got yourself a good apprenticeship, earn some money, you might be keen to get out.
Oh, I am. I want a utility room that doesn't leak. And
Well, there's only one way of getting there.
a kitchen washing machine that doesn't leak when it drains. Or just a kitchen that has good plumbing in general. Have you not seen the state of the undersink cupboard in our kitchen?
No, got enough problems now without looking at yours.
It's all my stuff, I think. Bearing that towel's mine. Bearing like one grey hand towel.
Bear it. Oh yeah, bear it. Yeah, bear it. Yeah.
As in like just
Yeah.
bare one.
Yeah, bar
Like,
one. Barring.
one,
Barring.
Bar, yeah.
See, once you told me bearing, my poor little brain got stuck on that.
Thought, you mean told.
See, you got me completely confused now. More of a kerfuffle.
Yeah.
How many more have you got?
Another pair of trousers, one jumper and a hand towel.
Alright, so we're alright spreading it out this much.
Yeah. It wasn't a big load.
Okay.
That's why my sheets and
Well, that's
The
going
other
to take
one.
some, isn't it? I can't get that on without getting very close to your line and also covering up your pictures. Oh,
that's fine. Because we can push it back up. Plus there's space on the end here.
right, I'm going to pull it up a bit and then you can put one on there, okay? Otherwise the picture's going to disappear.
You mean the video?
Your video, yes, you need to push that down a bit.
Yeah. Put the towel there.
Well, I thought you had something big to go in.
Yeah, I've got a jumper. I'll just drape that over the end bits.
I can put something on the Arga.
Have you got room for it?
I'll put the towel on the Arga.
Oh yeah, that's your towel anyway. The rest, so that means all the stuff on here is mine. I'll just drape this.
Go there. I know, on here or out there?
Yeah, out there. It's
That's
fine.
what makes use of the Arga while it's done.
Yeah, you can just put that on. Thank you. Did you put this in? Yep. So before you put it in, how would you dry it to close?
Well, we put it in as soon as we got it, didn't we?
Oh, so this
Early on.
is this like original?
On this?
Yeah.
No, I bought it on the internet.
No, I mean like as in when you fitted it, is it not being replaced?
No, it's the original one. I've changed the rope once.
Yes, the rope frame.
Yeah.
See, when you do that, if you take off the old rope, guess what you do?
Take that up, down.
No, you take pictures of everything.
Oh, so you don't.
You know what you're going to put it back like. Same with wiring.
Yeah.
Take any wiring apart without having videoed it, photographed it.
Uh huh.
Same with a car. A number of times people do things and I can't remember how it went back together.
Uh huh.
still got, you want to watch it to the end? We can move it at the end.
And I need my socket back.
How long's it got to go?
30 minutes. Do you want to wait that long?
No, not really. We can move that, don't worry, at the end.
No, it's fine.
Alright.
Because if I need my phone, right?
Okay.
So if I'm going home now, I can't go home now and then come back and get my phone.
Not what?
Yeah, so I just have to stay here at this point, wouldn't I?
Yes, turn it off.
Yeah.